Chapter 10, Reaching the Age of Adolescence. In this chapter, we will learn about the changes that take place in the human body after which a person becomes capable of reproduction, adolescence, and puberty. Growing up is a natural process. During the growth, many changes occur both externally and internally in human body. The various stages of growth in human being are infancy. The stage of growth from birth to about 2 years of age is called infancy. Childhood. The stage of growth from about 2 years to 11 years of age is called childhood. Adolescence. The stage of growth from about 11 years to 18 or 19 years is of the age is the period termed as adolescence. Above 19 years is the adulthood. Adolescence, the period of life when the body undergoes changes leading to reproductive maturity, is called adolescence. Adolescence starts around the age of 11 and lasts up to 18 or 19 years of age. The person undergoing the age of adolescence is called adolescent. Since this period covers the teen 13 to 18 or 19 years of age, adolescents are also called teenagers. Puberty. The human body undergoes several changes during adolescence. These changes mark the onset of puberty, the stage of life when the body becomes capable of reproduction is called puberty. Generally, boys attain puberty at the age of 13 to 14 years, while girls reach puberty at comparatively lower age of 10 to 12 years. Puberty ends when an adolescent reaches reproductive maturity. Changes at puberty. First is that is increase in height. The most conspicuous change during puberty is the sudden increase in height. The bones of arms and legs become long and make a person taller. Generally, girls grow faster than boys. Around the age of 18, a person attains his or her maximum height. The height depends on the gene inherited from the parents. Eating a balanced diet helps the bones, muscles, and other parts of the body to get adequate nourishment for the growth. The rate of growth in height varies in different individuals. Some may grow suddenly at puberty and then slow down, while others may grow gradually. Change in body shape. Many changes occur in the body shape during puberty. These changes are different for boys and girls. In boys, shoulder becomes broader and the chest becomes wider. The body muscles grow more in boys as compared to girls. In girls, the region below the waist becomes wider. Third is change in voice. At puberty, the voice box or larynx begins to grow. Boys develop larger voice boxes. The growing voice box in boys can be seen as a protruding part of the throat called Adam's apple. Boys have a deep or low pitched voice. Sometimes the muscles of growing voice box go out of control and the voice becomes hoarse. This state may remain for a few days or weeks, after which the voice becomes normal. In girls, The voice box is hardly visible from outside because of its small size. Girls have a high pitched voice. This is Adam's apple. Adam's apple in a grown up boy. Fourth is increased activity of sweat and sebaceous glands. In human beings, the skin has two important glands. These are sweat and sebaceous glands. The sweat glands produce sweat. The sebaceous glands produce oil or sebum that keep the skin oily. During puberty, the secretion of sweat glands and sebaceous glands increases. Many young people get acne and pimples on the face at this time because of the increased activity of these glands in the skin. Fifth is development of sex organs. In boys, male sex organs like the testes and penis develop completely. The testes begin to produce sperms. In girls, the ovaries enlarge and eggs begin to mature and ovaries start releasing mature eggs. Number 6 is reaching mental, intellectual, and emotional maturity. Adolescence is the time when the brain has the greatest capacity for learning. The intellectual development takes place, and the adolescents spend more time on thinking, planning for future, etc. Adolescents become self-conscious and start feeling the need for acceptance and understanding, may feel insecure while trying to adjust to the changes in the body and mind.